everyone, welcome back to another video of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Oculus app on a mobile phone. Keep watching the video till the end to figure it out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any updates from us. So let's get started. Firstly, open up your Play Store app. Once the main tab is open, click on the search bar at the top of the screen and then write in Oculus. Once you are done, click on the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you can see, the Oculus app is available to be downloaded. Click on the install button and now all you have to do is wait. Downloading process has now started and once the downloading percentage hits 100, the app will be successfully downloaded on a mobile phone. Once the open button turns green, tap on it and it will directly take you to the app. As you can see, the app has now been successfully downloaded on a mobile phone. That's it for today. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment for any kind of questions and feedbacks. We will soon be back with more videos. Stay connected and goodbye till then.